Hello guys, in this part we learn user inputs in C#. You have already learned that Console.WriteLine is used to output or print values. Now we will use Console.ReadLine to get user input. In the following example, the user can input his or her username, which is stored in the variable username. Then we print the value of username. So type your username and press enter. Console.WriteLine enter username. Create a string variable and get username user input from keyboard and store it in the variable. A string username equal Console.ReadLine. Print the value of the variable username which will display the input value. Console.WriteLine username is username and Control F5. Enter username. My username is Mahdi and press enter. Username is Mahdi. The Console.ReadLine method returns a string. Therefore, you cannot get information from another data type such as int. The following program will cause an error. Console.WriteLine enter your age. Int age equal Console.ReadLine. Console.WriteLine your age is age. We have an error. You cannot implicitly convert type string to int. So, luckily for you, you just learned from the previous video that you can convert any type explicitly by using the one of the convert.to methods. So, solution. We should convert .to int Console.ReadLine. Convert.to int Console.ReadLine. And the error is solved. Control F5 and enter your age 60. Your age is 60.